Oh, all these dishes. I gotta clean my room, do my homework, and I gotta go to work. How am I gonna do all these dishes?
I have a suggestion for you.
What is that?
You could start with the top one.
Are you kidding me right now?
Nope.
That helps.
I have the perfect solution for you.
Who are you, and how did you get into our house?
The new and improved dishwasher.
Dishwasher?
Yes. It's a helpful kitchen appliance that will save time from dishes being washed by hand as well as being efficient.
Where can we get one?
You got one right there.
Oh, we've had one this whole time.
I haven't seen this, have you?
No, never.
This looks so difficult though.
Yeah.
It's not difficult at all. First step is to rinse off all excess foods from the dishes.
Oh, that's easy.
Those racks are to hold the dirty dishes while they're being washed. Place cups and other smaller dishes in the top rack. Then you put silverware in the silverware rack to make sure they don't move around too much.
Oh, okay. Is this the silverware rack?
Yes.
You can separate them like forks and spoons.
Oh yeah.
After loading up the silverware, stack the plates into the bottom rack as well as pots and pans.
Okay.
Here's the pot.
Then just fill the rest of the dishwasher with the rest of the dishes until it's close to full.
Alright.
After the dish racks are filled, put in the dish detergent and rinse agent into the provided slots.
Oh. I think this is where it goes. Alright. Put that right here. Alright.
Then you just shut the dishwasher, adjust the settings, and start the washer.
Oh, started.
Using a dishwasher will save water and energy when compared to hand washing dishes. It saves on average 5,000 gallons of water per year. Hand washing dishes cost about $430 more in water, and switching to a dishwasher will save around 230 hours per year from washing the dishes. The estimated lifespan of a mid-range dishwasher is approximately 10 years and has a cost of around $500. That adds up to $50 per year. This report estimates that an average dishwasher runs 215 loads per year, so you'd have a cost of about 46 cents per load for the cost of the dishwasher.
How long is this gonna take? Still have to do my homework and clean my room.
Well, it can take from anywhere from 80 to 145 minutes. But you can also do all of that while it is running.
Okay, that sounds cool.
There is a washing and drying cycle which will be indicated by a green light. Some dishwashers have double washing cycles to ensure that the dishes are spotless.
Wow, it's over already? And the dishes look so clean. That saves so much time. I got everything done while I was going too. Hey, still got time to make it to work.
That is exactly why the dishwasher is an amazing product that is worth the initial high cost.
Thank you so much for your help.
But
Who are you?
Not important. It's not difficult at all. First step is to rinse off all excess foods from the dishes.
Easy enough.
Oh. Okay, stop it.
Got some food on.
Oh. This little tricky guy got away.
Dishes until it's close to full.
Alright.
After,
We don't have any dishes left. This is the miscellaneous dish, I guess.
I guess so. Alright.
We're just gonna pull them straight out of
Tupperware. Just pull some more Tupperware
And
out.
you can't just put them in there. Okay, wait, so say your line again.